Hey everybody, I just wanted to stop and share one of our Halloween games that we're doing this week with 1st through 4th grade. The one we're going to focus on today is called Zombie Tag. So it's a really easy tag game, and I got this idea from Chelsea Webb on Twitter. So props to Chelsea for the idea. So the only thing you need are some cones, some short noodles, and some hula hoops. So how I set up my gym is I put the cones around a circle in the middle of the gym, and then inside the circle there are noodles and hula hoops. So to begin the game, you'll select a few students. I usually start with 3 or 4, and they will become the zombies first. So the zombies need a noodle for tagging, any color they want, and then a hula hoop of any color. And the zombies must travel around the gym trying to tag everyone else, but they have to drag their foot on the ground with the hula hoop, so that prevents them from moving too quickly. So each time the zombie tags a normal student, it infects them, and that person comes to the middle and they become a zombie as well. So they would select a noodle and a hula hoop, and then they would join the rest of the zombies trying to tag whoever is remaining. So this game's a lot of fun. I usually turn off the lights as long as it's safe and everyone can still see. And you can play until there's only 1 or 2 remaining students who are not zombies, and then you can clean up, play again, or move on to your next activity. So Zombie Tag, great game for 1st through 4th grade, and I'll give a little demonstration here at the end of the video. Thank you. Oh no, the zombie's after me, oh no. Ah!